Holy crap. I hate the internet. Every time I check my account, I'm bombarded with spam mail. No, I do not want to make my junk bigger. I do not care that you are a prince from Africa and need money to help your country. I'm not going to give you my account number. Thanks, but I don't want to sign up for online college classes. If I wanted to go back to school, I would not attend some crappy online college. Really, what could I do with some crappy online degree? Thank you, sir. Would you like fries with that order? To all you spammers out there, I'm onto you. When I find you, I'm going to kick you in the nuts. No, I do not want to watch two girls one cup. That is really gross. I do not want to spank off to girls sharing poo. I mean really, what kind of sick crap is that? No, I do not want your crappy gift cards. Seriously, leave me alone. I just want to check my account, spank off, and watch stupid videos on YouTube. I do not really care if Lady Gaga is a man. I do not care about the douchebags from Jersey Shore. And I do not give a crap about the oil spill. Leave me alone, peace.